finding your way in your vehicle is easier than ever. All your destinations are just a tap away with Maps Plus. Maps Plus is a connected navigation app in your vehicle's center display. You can use it to find your way to your destination, points of interest, parking, or even gas stations. Maps Plus can give up-to-date information about your journey, like weather, travel times, and traffic incidents on your route. If your vehicle is a GMC model from 2018 or later, it could have Maps Plus equipped. The Maps Plus app can be found in the Apps menu of your vehicle's center display. Use of the app will require select service plans. To get started, launch Maps Plus by tapping the Maps Plus icon on the home screen of your center display while in park, then accept the Maps Plus Terms of Use and Privacy policy when prompted. Once you accept, you'll be taken to the Maps Plus main screen. The main screen looks like this. You can see your location on the map, the current local weather here in the bottom right corner, and select vehicle settings and other app controls in the bottom left corner. To interact with Maps Plus, you can swipe to move the map and pinch to zoom in or out like a smartphone map app. You can choose to orient the map in either north is up or forward is up view by tapping the compass to toggle between the views. If you navigate the screen away from your location, press the Recenter button on your display. To choose where you want Maps Plus to navigate to, you can enter your destination a few different ways. To choose a specific location or destination, press the magnifying glass icon in the lower left corner of the main screen to search for an address or a common search term like groceries, parking, gas station, or others. To choose a destination from the map you see on the free drive map screen along the way, press the points of interest icon on the center display. To select a destination that's not a point of interest, press and hold the location for a few seconds. After you select a destination, the app will display a destination card on the map. Tap the card and select Navigate to begin navigation. While driving, use the hands-free technology by asking Alexa built-in to search for an address or point of interest. Alexa will load the destination in Maps Plus and begin navigation. If you need to add a stop, open the keyboard during navigation by tapping the search icon at the bottom of the main screen. Use the keyboard to search for an address or point of interest. Once your waypoint is shown, you have two options. Either replace route, which replaces the current destination and takes you to the route preview screen for the new destination, or add as a stop, which adds the stop as a waypoint along the existing route and takes you to the route overview screen. From the Maps Plus main screen, you can control other features in your vehicle. You can select and interact with your favorite songs and podcasts from the interface. And you can access other in-vehicle apps without interrupting your navigation. To make Maps Plus your own, you can change how the app works in the settings menu. While in park, access the main screen and tap the gear icon to enter the settings menu. From the settings menu, you can change the following settings. Turn-by-turn voice directions, which reads out each step of your navigation directions. Avoid tolls, which routes you away from the toll roads when possible. Avoid ferries, which will navigate you without the need to board ferries when possible. And avoid highways, which will route you to your destination without using highways when possible. Maps Plus brings navigation, updates, and controls to your fingertips in a single app. Drive where you want and arrive at your destination easily with Maps Plus.